In this video we are going to talk about the best treadmill for home gym in this year, which is Bowflex Treadmill Series. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. The Bowflex Treadmill Series includes 3 different models, the BXT216, BXT116, and the BXT326. All 3 models come with a 9-inch full-color, backlit LCD screen and Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to connect your device and play music or listen to audiobooks while you exercise. The BXT216 is the top-of-the-line model, with a powerful 4.0 continuous horsepower motor, a spacious 22-inch by 60-inch running deck, and 11 workout programs. It also comes with features like a built-in fan, a media rack, and a USB charging port. The BXT116 is the mid-range model, with a 3.75 continuous horsepower motor and a 20-inch by 60-inch running deck. It also comes with 9 workout programs, a media rack, and a USB charging port. The BXT326 is the entry-level model, with a 3.5 continuous horsepower motor and a 20-inch by 60-inch running deck. It comes with 7 workout programs, a media rack, and a USB charging port. Overall, the Bowflex Treadmill Series is well regarded by reviewers and customers alike. The treadmills are praised for their sturdy construction, easy assembly, and smooth and quiet operation. The large running decks provide ample space for runners of all sizes, and the built-in workout programs and connectivity options make it easy to customize your workouts. However, some reviewers note that the Bowflex Treadmill Series is relatively expensive compared to other treadmills on the market, and that the warranties could be better. Additionally, some customers have reported issues with the heart rate monitor and the console freezing up. In summary, the Bowflex Treadmill Series is a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-quality treadmill with advanced features and connectivity options. However, it may be more expensive than some other options, and some customers have reported issues with the heart rate monitor and console. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.